my bed. Gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love, then it gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And if you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be choosing the giveaway winner for February's monthly giveaway. So if you want to see if you won the giveaway, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna pick February's giveaway winner. We're on the site. I'm going to paste the link here, and then filter duplicate users. 23, and then press start. So I had to mute this part of the video because my mom was on the phone and she was hella loud. But the winner is Kimber Watts. I believe her name is Kimberly. So congratulations. She is a loyal subscriber and is always active on the majority of my videos. So again, congratulations, and I will be messaging you. So that brings this video to an end. Again, this is just a quick little announcement. This is probably going to go up on a Tuesday or Thursday. So yeah, you know, like, comment, subscribe. You got to be subscribed to be able to enter my monthly giveaways. And yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Can you play that again? We've been through the 305 highway. Loving like a ride too fast.